Welcome back, and now we have news from sports. Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo has announced his decision to contest Goa Football Association President's election. He made the announcement at a press conference on Thursday afternoon in the company of current GFA President Joki Alemao and President of Sargaonkar Sports Club Shivanand Sargaonkar.
I would like to announce my filing of nomination for the post of President of Goa Football Association for this year. As many of you know that the elections are due in October of 2010. The period of the current committee is going to end shortly. Mr. Joki Alemao is the current president. I have, over the past few years, there have been strong requests from football lovers, well-wishers of both Goa Football and Dempo Sports Club, and from many other quarters that I need to take over and try my level best to be president of Goa Football Association. Since there are many challenges ahead of us, you know that football in general in India and in particular in Goa is at a stage where now we need to move on to the next level. I fully commit myself that I will do justice if elected to the post of president.
Current President of GFA and Urban Development Minister Joki Alemao promised full support to Dempo.
We force him because of only one thing. The GFA should not go wrong people's hands. Because we are spending our own money of the club. And therefore we pressurize him, and I'm sure he announced today, I'm very happy. Full-heartedly I'll support him, and plus I can tell him the club all over Goa, personally I'll approach them, see that Baba will be elected. There is no doubt about it. And also, I know the Peter have an interest, Peter was also have an interest, he's my friend. I'll tell him.
Four-time National Football League champions Dempo Sports Club are yet to complete their tie-up with the secret foreign club. The club's project of a home ground is also stalled. Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo disclosed this information to the media on Thursday.
The club that we are supposed to sign has an issue with their main sponsor. So, you know, that's something which is it's too important for them. They are changing their lead sponsor. And, you know, when their lead sponsor changes, it's $4 million, $5 million kind of a stake. So, all the issues have been resolved. We have both verbally agreed on all the clauses. We are just waiting for them to come here or we to go there and just ink the deal. Until such time, we are not supposed to open our mouth. So, you know, there's a confidentiality clause that binds us. That's the reason. Otherwise, there's no secret.
Any progress at your home stadium for Dempo Sports Club?
Sure, that's one of the points I think for all three of us. We are banking and depending on the government to give us some sort of accessibility to some ground. Speaking for ourselves, we have staked a claim. We have requested the government to acquire land for us. It's doing its rounds in the various government departments. There has been some progress. But I'm personally following it up with the Chief Minister, and, you know, he's assured me that, you know, a favourable decision will come as soon as possible.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Panji.
The famous Jai Jawan Govinda group on Thursday equalized their own world record by breaking the handi from 9th layer in Mumbai. This is the highest point at which any handi is placed in the metropolitan city. We take your leave with these mind-blowing visuals. Take care and goodbye. सध्या आपण बघतोय जय जवानच्या गोविंदा पथकाने हंडी फोडलेली आहे. याच पथकाने 9 थरांचा वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड केला होता आणि या रेकॉर्डशी त्यांनी याच दहीहंडीमध्ये बरोबरी सुद्धा केली होती आणि त्यानंतर त्यांनी आता ही हंडी फोडलेली आहे.